Unleash your inner designer, budget-friendly home decor magic. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be unleashing your inner designer with some budget-friendly home decor magic. Ready to transform your living space without breaking the bank? I'm so excited to share some amazing budget-friendly decor projects that will inject personality and style into your home. Let's dive in and turn your house into a haven. Unleash your creativity with DIY wall art. It's a fantastic way to showcase your unique style and add a personal touch to any room. Grab some canvases and experiment with geometric shapes, vibrant splatters, or elegant stenciled motifs. Why not create your own curtains or throw pillows? It's easier than you think, and you can choose fabrics that perfectly match your decor. This is a fantastic way to liven up a room and add a pop of color or texture. A painted staircase can add dimension and visual interest to a small space. Choose a bold color or a subtle gradient to create a stunning focal point. It's a simple yet effective way to elevate your home's aesthetic. Boost your curb appeal with a homemade welcome mat. Get creative with stencils, paint, or even repurposed materials. A personalized welcome mat is a warm and inviting way to greet guests. Add warmth and ambience to your home with homemade candles. Experiment with different scents, colors, and containers to create unique candles that reflect your personal style. It's a fun and rewarding DIY project. Thrifting is your secret weapon for finding unique and affordable home decor items. Explore thrift stores, flea markets, and antique shops for hidden gems that will add character to your space. You never know what treasures you might uncover. Repurpose vintage or thrifted items in creative ways to create functional furnishings. An antique ladder can become a stylish blanket rack, or a vintage trunk can serve as a unique seating option. Let your imagination run wild. Give old furniture a new lease on life with paint, varnish, wallpaper, or new upholstery. Consider adding a scalloped edge to a sideboard or painting chair legs in a vibrant color. Upcycling is a sustainable and budget-friendly way to transform your home. Buy second-hand materials at thrift stores to secure high-quality materials for a lower price. You can find fabrics, hardware, and other supplies for your DIY projects without breaking the bank. It's a smart and savvy way to save money. Save money on wallpaper by using a single roll to create an accent wall. Choose a bold pattern or a textured design to add visual interest to a room. It's a simple and affordable way to make a statement. Use paint to transform a room or furniture. Paint one wall as an accent, paint trim or doors in a contrasting color, or revive an old dresser with a fresh coat of paint. The possibilities are endless. When selecting paint colors, consider the mood you want to create and the natural lighting in the room. Warm colors can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, while cool colors can create a sense of calm and serenity. Dress up existing accents with embellished details like decorator trims, fabric bands, vintage buttons, or tassels on throw pillows or lampshades. These small touches can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your decor. Update kitchen units by swapping out drawer and cupboard handles for a new design. Choose handles that complement your kitchen style and add a touch of personality. It's a simple and affordable way to refresh your kitchen. Stretch a piece of fabric over a canvas to create a unique wall hanging. You can use an old duvet cover, scarf, or thrifted dress. It's a creative and budget-friendly way to add texture and color to your walls. Transform a simple basket into a designer-look lampshade. Remove the handles, spray paint it in your desired color, cut a hole for a light bulb, and attach it to a flex. It's a fun and easy DIY project that will add a touch of whimsy to your home. Use plants, natural grasses, or dried stems as decor. These natural elements can add a touch of freshness and tranquility to your home. Plus, they're a budget-friendly way to add visual interest. Use sticks from your yard to create unique decor. Hot glue faux flowers or leaves to the sticks and arrange them in a vase. It's a creative and eco-friendly way to bring the outdoors in. Choose a consistent color palette to tie your decor together. This will create a cohesive and harmonious look throughout your home. Stick to a few key colors and use them consistently in your furniture, accessories, and wall decor. Use multifunctional furniture like sofa beds or storage ottomans to save space and add functionality. These pieces are perfect for small spaces and can help you maximize your living area. Add mirrors to create space and give the illusion of a larger area. Mirrors reflect light and can make a room feel brighter and more open. Place them strategically to maximize their effect. Mount curtains closer to the ceiling to make the room appear taller. This will create a sense of height and make your room feel more spacious. It's a simple trick that can make a big difference. Pair a statement chair with inexpensive throw pillows or a designer lamp on a budget-friendly table. Mixing high and low items is a great way to create a stylish and eclectic look without breaking the bank. Hang spare cutting boards on kitchen walls as affordable artwork. Choose cutting boards with interesting shapes, textures, or colors to add visual interest to your kitchen. It's a unique and unexpected way to decorate your walls. Remember to plan your DIY projects, set a budget, and shop around for affordable materials. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can transform your home into a stylish and inviting space without spending a fortune. Ready to unleash your inner designer and create the home of your dreams? Start planning your DIY projects today. Visit your local thrift store, gather your supplies, and let your creativity flow. Don't forget to share your amazing transformations with us in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe for more budget-friendly decor ideas, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's create beautiful homes together.